Tell me good. Hey guys, this is Sam Ellis with Reynolds Asphalt. I just want to show you the proper way to put the hose back on the rig. And the main reason is because normally you have a hot crack fill box here, and you definitely don't want the hose to touch the hot crack fill box, right? So you want to make sure you properly put the hose on the reel. So you know it. So what I'll do is start at the when you first start, you stretch your hose out, you come up to the top, and you go across. So that way you don't have anything hanging. Come back again, the next one, and you come up. So see how nice and tight your hose is? Come back again. And normally you have a partner with you that's going to help you, but you really look like, look, I don't even have a partner. After me, my partner is actually filming me. But yeah, nice and tight your rig hose is. And that's how you properly add the hose to your rig. Thank you.